UK-listed smarter web company buys $12.1 million in Bitcoin, lifts holdings to 2,650 BTC. Bitcoin Treasury, UK. Smarter web company, the UK's largest publicly traded Bitcoin holder, purchased another 100 BTC for $12.1 million, raising its total holdings to 2,650 BTC worth $219.5 million as it doubles down on its long-term Bitcoin treasury strategy. Crypto journalist, Hassan. Crypto journalist, Hassan. About author. Anas is a crypto-native journalist and SEO writer with over 5 years of writing experience covering blockchain, crypto, DeFi, and emerging tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 2 hours ago. Smarter web company, the UK's largest publicly traded Bitcoin holder, has purchased another 100 BTC valued at $12.1 million, paying an average price of $120,480 per coin. The company's press release confirms that the latest purchases have boosted the total holdings to 2,650 BTC, currently valued at $219.5 million. The Bristol-based firm acknowledged that it remains committed to long-term value creation through its 10-year plan by converting treasury assets into Bitcoin while tapping capital markets for additional funding when conditions are favorable. "We believe that Bitcoin is the best asset the world has ever seen," said Andrew Webley, CEO of Smarter Web Company. As a public company, SWC can use capital markets to raise funds and strengthen its balance sheet by accumulating Bitcoin, he added. The company reports generating a BTC yield of 57,718% year-to-date, with net asset value growth of 50%. UK-listed Smarter Web Company hunt for distressed Bitcoin holdings. The company shows no signs of slowing down. In September, Crypto News reported that the UK-listed company is considering acquisitions of struggling competitors to acquire their Bitcoin at discounted prices. Founder Andrew Webley told the Financial Times that the firm would certainly consider buying other companies for their Bitcoin at a discount, noting that some crypto treasury companies now trade below the value of their Bitcoin reserves. Webley acknowledged the sharp valuation swings, telling the publication that, "We probably got overvalued and now we're almost certainly undervalued," while expressing concern for shareholders who have experienced the volatility. Despite the share price correction, the company briefly achieved a £1 billion market capitalization over the summer and has gained approximately 150% year-to-date, outperforming all but one company in the FTSE 350. Following a proven playbook. The Smarter Web Company is following a proven treasury strategy that has helped other public companies transform their financial narratives. In 2020, Strategy, formerly MicroStrategy, adopted Bitcoin as its primary treasury asset in the US. Since then, other companies have followed, including Metaplanet in Japan and Capital B in France. Today, over 100 public companies hold Bitcoin as a treasury asset. When executed properly, this strategy has delivered strong results in major capital markets worldwide. According to Bitcoin Treasuries, Smarter Web Company now ranks 30th among the top 100 public BTC treasury companies, ahead of American Bitcoin Corp, Microcloud Hologram, and Hive Digital Technologies. Within the UK, Smarter Web Company leads as the top Bitcoin treasury firm with over $200 million in Bitcoin reserves, followed by Satsuma Technology plc with approximately 1,140 BTC worth around $130 million. David Bailey, CEO of Bitcoin Magazine, suggested that with Smarter Web Company's continued Bitcoin acquisitions, they could emerge as the dominant Bitcoin treasury company in the UK. According to him, there will be a dominant Bitcoin treasury company in every capital market. UK's largest investment platform remains wary of Bitcoin treasury strategy. However, market analysts have raised concerns about the sustainability and strategic clarity of the crypto treasury trend, as hundreds of companies worldwide race to accumulate digital assets. Just 3 days ago, Hargreaves Lansdown, the UK's biggest retail investment platform, urged investors to avoid cryptocurrencies despite regulators easing restrictions on crypto investment products. Hargreaves Lansdown said that Bitcoin is not an asset class, and we do not think cryptocurrency has characteristics that mean it should be included in portfolios for growth or income, adding that, unlike other asset classes, it has no intrinsic value. This cautious position comes days after the UK Financial Conduct Authority lifted its ban on crypto exchange-traded products for retail investors. Although delays in prospectus approvals mean UK consumers had to wait until today before they can purchase Bitcoin and Ethereum-linked products. Despite its cautious stance, Hargreaves Lansdowne said it plans to allow appropriate clients to trade crypto ETNs starting in early 2026, acknowledging that some traders will want speculative exposure to the market. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. This felt different. Why Friday's crypto crash made history. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Shiba Inu and Dogecoin by the end of 2025. Early Bitcoin whale shorted $1.1 billion right before tariffs. Now up $27 million. How did he know? Bitcoin price prediction. Is this 9% crash the calm before a $130,000 storm? Ethereum price prediction. Is the flash crash a buying opportunity for long-term ETH holders? Blockchain news. WazirX wins court nod in Singapore for debt restructuring scheme, CEO says. 10 hours ago. By Shalini Nagarajan. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. XRP hasn't bottomed until Bitcoin stabilizes. Buy the dip. 1 day ago. By Arslan Butt. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. What on-chain signals suggest for BTC price direction? Up or down? 1 day ago. By Arslan Butt. Best crypto to buy now in October 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 6 days ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 1 hour ago. By Inesis Tavares. 14 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 3 days ago. By Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in October 2025. 3 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 3 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. For days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 10 hours ago. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 3, 2025. By Ben Beto.